Hello, I've heard about conservative hybrid fund, but I'm not entirely sure how they work. Can you explain?
Absolutely. It's a type of mutual fund that invests in a combination of asset classes, typically a mix of stocks and bonds with the aim of achieving a balance between growth and income while minimizing risk.
That sounds interesting. Are there any risks involved?
Market fluctuations may impact returns, yet, investing in value stocks may provide potential for gains while aligning with a disciplined investment strategy.
Thanks for the info. I might consider investing in a conservative hybrid fund.
You're welcome. Feel free to ask if you have more questions.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.